finds me where I was broken before. I sit here with these old pictures spread around. Your face looks back but doesn't make a sound. The window's open, air moves through my head. I'm learning how to breathe when you're not there. Something's different in me now. Can't explain it, but somehow I'm finding pieces of myself again. Little by little, the hurt starts to mend. Sunlight painting hope across my skin. I'm learning how to let the healing in. Let the healing in. There's music in the wind that hits the trees. New leaves unfold like prayers upon the breeze. I catch myself on